Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Engineer Sunil. Here I upload technical and problem solving videos. Today here I am starting a series on OpenCV Python tutorial where I will post from A to Z functionality of OpenCV Python module available in Python language. So press subscribe button and hit bell icon to get notified about further videos of this OpenCV Python tutorial series. So OpenCV was developed at Intel in 1999 by Gary Bretsky and one of his colleagues. They started this project as Intel's internal project. Then further they made this as open source for public use. And OpenCV supports multiple languages including Python, C++, Java, etc. And all the platforms which supports these languages are also support OpenCV. You can say Android is built on Java, now Kotlin, but before the time it was supporting Java language. So Android supports OpenCV, all the functionality, Windows, Linux, OS X, iOS, etc. All platforms supports OpenCV. If you have if you have GPU on your motherboard and you want faster execution of OpenCV on your application, then you can install CUDA if you're using Windows operating system. I can say for only Windows. If you have Windows, then you can install CUDA software available for the Windows, and you can set path of it in the Windows environment variable, and you are ready to go for with the OpenCV GPU faster execution. The most important thing here to note is OpenCV Python module of Python language is API of OpenCV, which is best combination of OpenCV C++ API and Python language. You will probably understand better this statement on the next slide. So as I said on previous slide that we are going to understand OpenCV Python module on this slide. So Python has one beautiful feature, and it is you write C++ code, and you can convert those C++ code into the Python module, and you can import those Python module into any Python file, Python code, simply by import a package name, and you can call any of its function, those based on OOP you written in C++ language easily by Python syntax. So by this feature we can write computationally intensive code into C and C++, because C and C++ has faster execution than Python. That's why we are writing intensively computational code into C++ and rewriting Python module in Python syntax. So it gives advantage of code running in background as C++ compiler with the Python syntax. This is how OpenCV Python works. It is a Python wrapper around original C++ implementation, nothing else. So most important part is how we are going to install OpenCV in any platform or operating system. So here are some list of softwares need to be installed before going to use OpenCV Python module. So first one is Visual Studio. Visual Studio is a C++ compiler, so you need to install that because OpenCV Python was totally built on C++ code. The second most important software is Python. You can find the python.exe if you are going to install Python for Windows, and similar for other OS on Python website. Because we are going to use OpenCV Python module of Python language, that's why we need to install Python. If you are using other modules and on other languages, you can find information and documentation on Python official website. The third important, not the software but package, is NumPy, because OpenCV Python is totally using NumPy for image processing, as when opening image as an array as 2 dimension or 3 dimension, it's going to be use NumPy, which is a package of a Python language. So to install any package on Python, you need to use pip package management tool. Pip is a package management tool similar like npm working in Node.js. So firstly you need to install NumPy. So there is a simple syntax in pip which you can use to install NumPy. Pip space install space any package name. Here you can put NumPy, pip install NumPy and enter. Now you need to install the OpenCV Python. So here you replace the NumPy with OpenCV dash Python, and you will be probably ready with OpenCV Python package in your Python interpreter. Sorry, I forgot to tell you. Pip command is usable on command bar or command line in Windows, even terminal on Mac. So you can easily type pip syntax on either a CMD or terminal of your operating system. So to know whether OpenCV Python package successfully installed in the Python interpreter or not, there is some simple syntax available in Python language to import any module. That's import space package name. So we are going to import the OpenCV. So there is a package that exported as module name is CV2 for the OpenCV Python module. So we are going to import CV2, then we can check any of its function by writing CV2 dot function name and to check whether it's working or not. We are going to perform practical for this. So I'm using Mac, so there are some different shortcut keys on Mac, and even if you are using Windows, then some shortcut keys are available on Windows. So here we are going to perform the practical on checking the OpenCV install or not. So you have to open the terminal. So shortcut for opening terminal is the command plus space in macOS, and you have to write Python. So if you are using macOS, then by default Python version is 2.7 install. I don't want that, so I'm going to do Python 3. So if you write Python 3 command in terminal, then you will probably able to use Python 3 interpreter. So I'm going to write cv2 import cv2 dot any function you can write and check whether OpenCV is installed or not. So that was some basic stuff for getting started with OpenCV Python module. Thank you guys for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to get notified about all upcoming videos of this OpenCV Python series.